Here's a comprehensive and in-depth tutorial on Google Keyword Planner. Unveiling the power of Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner is a versatile tool that aids in keyword research and planning for effective search engine optimization, SEO, and pay-per-click, PPC, campaigns. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through understanding and utilizing Google Keyword Planner to uncover valuable keywords that resonate with your target audience. Chapter 1. Understanding Google Keyword Planner. 1. What is Google Keyword Planner? 1. Google Keyword Planner is a free tool provided by Google Ads that assists advertisers in finding relevant keywords for their ad campaigns. 2. Benefits of using Google Keyword Planner. Keyword insights. Discover valuable keywords related to your niche or industry. Search volume data. Obtain estimated monthly search volumes for specific keywords. Competitive analysis. Evaluate the level of competition for each keyword. Chapter 2. Accessing Google Keyword Planner. 1. Accessing the tool. 1. To access Google Keyword Planner, you need a Google Ads account. Sign in or create an account if you don't have one. Chapter 3. Keyword Research and Analysis. 1. Finding keywords. 1. Enter a product or service related to your business to start finding relevant keywords. 2. Alternatively, input your website URL to generate keyword ideas based on your existing content. 2. Keyword ideas and suggestions. 1. Google Keyword Planner provides a list of keyword ideas, along with their average monthly search volumes and competition levels. 3. Filtering and customization. 1. Use filters to refine your keyword list based on average monthly searches, competition, and bid ranges. 2. Experiment with different settings to find keywords that align with your goals. Chapter 4. Analyzing keyword data. 1. Search volume. 1. Understand the estimated monthly search volume for specific keywords. This helps gauge their popularity. 2. Competition level. 1. Assess the level of competition for each keyword. High competition keywords may require more investment. 3. Keyword trends. 1. Explore historical trends for specific keywords to identify seasonal patterns or changes in interest over time. Chapter 5. Keyword grouping and planning. 1. Organizing keywords. 1. Group related keywords together to create thematic clusters. 2. This helps in structuring ad campaigns and content around specific topics. 2. Keyword performance forecasts. 1. Google Keyword Planner provides performance forecasts for keywords, including estimated clicks, impressions, and costs. Chapter 6. Using Keyword Planner for SEO. 1. Content strategy. 1. Utilize the keywords you find in Google Keyword Planner to inform your content strategy. 2. Create valuable content around these keywords to attract organic traffic. 2. On-page optimization. 1. Incorporate selected keywords into your website's meta tags, headings, and content for SEO optimization. Chapter 7. Using Keyword Planner for PPC. 1. Building ad campaigns. 1. Create targeted ad campaigns using the keywords you've identified through Google Keyword Planner. 2. Craft compelling ad copy that aligns with these keywords for better click-through rates. 2. Bid strategies. 1. Based on competition and search volume, determine your bid strategies for each keyword. 2. Bid more for high-value keywords that align with your campaign goals. Conclusion. Leveraging Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner is a valuable tool for keyword research, content creation, and ad campaign optimization. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you'll be equipped to uncover relevant keywords, analyze their performance metrics, and integrate them into your SEO and PPC strategies. Remember that keyword research is an ongoing process, and regularly revisiting Google Keyword Planner can help you stay ahead of changes in user behavior and search trends, ensuring your online presence remains competitive and impactful.